Hi everyone, this is lesson 6.3, multiplying a vector by a scalar. Recall from previous lectures that a scalar is something with magnitude but no direction, while a vector has both magnitude and direction. Let's start by scalar multiplication. Given a vector v and a scalar k, where the scalar k belongs to all real number, then the scalar multiple k and v, which is k times v, is a vector of the magnitude of k times as long as v. Its magnitude is the magnitude of k times the magnitude of v. If this scalar value of k is bigger than 0, then kv has the same direction as v. But if k is less than 0, then it will have the opposite direction to v. So consider we have this example. We have A, which is this vector with a magnitude of 100 kilometers at a quadrant bearing of north 45e, which means this angle is 45 degrees. Now we have to draw a vector to represent the scalar multiplication of negative 3a. In this case, our k is negative 3, and since it's a value less than 0, we will automatically suspect that this new vector will be in different direction from our original vector. Not only that, since it's 3, we have to multiply our 100 kilometers by 3, so that will give us 300 kilometers. And the opposite direction of north 45 east is south 45 west, which is this angle. And the vector will look something like this. A collinear vector. Vectors are collinear if they lie on a straight line when they're arranged tail to tail. The vectors are also scalar multiples of each other, which means that they are parallel. The vector properties for scalar multiplication. First, we have the distributive property. So again, we have the scalar k, which belongs to all real number. Then if we have two vectors u and v, and we have to time the scalar k by both of these vectors, then k times u plus v in bracket will be equal to k times u plus k times b. In other words, the resultant of these two vectors will be the same. Next, we have the associative property. For any scalar a and v, which belongs to all real number, and any vector b, a times b in bracket times the scalar v will be equal to a times in bracket b times the vector v. And then we have the identity property. So for any vector v, we time it by 1, it will still be v. The linear combination of vectors. Given two vectors u and v and scalar s and t, which belongs to all real number, the quantity s times u plus t times v is called a linear combination of the vectors u and v. And u and v will be the original vectors. So that's the end of this lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Please check out the activity video as well as your assignment and upload them for your teacher to mark. And I'll see you guys next time.